good morning, my lovely students. How are you today, kids? I hope you are wonderful, you are good, you are amazing, and you are excited want to study, right? Okay, very good. Kids, we already study about fraction, and then we also already study about adding and subtracting like fraction. Nah, so today we will discuss this problem ya. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Yeah, so I hope all of you please join on time Zoom meeting because we will discuss this problem. Okay, kids? Now for today, my lovely students, have a good day. Bye-bye.